Hey boys and girls, and welcome to this new dog training tutorial. Today's tutorial is quite short but a critical one. I'll teach you how to keep your dog's attention while things are happening around you. For example, when someone walks by with an unusual object, plays with a ball, or when another animal passes by. This is also where you can train your dog not to chase animals or react to people passing by. Start with an easy one. Begin by having someone simply walk past you while you keep your dog's attention on you. With this training, you basically only have to do two things. Correct your dog when it wants to react or is reacting to things happening around you, and reward your dog when it keeps its attention on you and ignores everything happening around it. It's also very important to train in different scenarios. The second scenario we are using here is my sister swinging around with a big chair. In this tutorial I'm not really showing it step by step like in my other tutorials, because as I mentioned before, you only have to do two things: correct and reward. The only thing you need to vary here is the scenarios. For the third scenario, use a toy that your dog loves to play with. Here you can see that my sister is playing with a football, which is something our dog really loves to do. You can see here that I'm bending down towards my dog to get closer and make sure I keep its attention. As you can see, this scenario is much more difficult than the others, but no stress. Don't get mad at your dog. In this situation, you're basically teasing your dog with its favorite toy, so you can't blame it for trying to get it. Stay calm and simply correct your dog by regaining its attention and guiding it back into a sitting position. Once your dog is focused on you again, rewards, and reward. For the fourth scenario, we are using another animal, our cats. In this case, I want to make it clear that using wild animals is not a good idea, as it can become dangerous. Here we're not training because our dog might bite the cat, not at all, since they already know each other. We're simply using the cat as a distraction to teach our dog to stay focused on us instead of going over to play or interact. If you want to try this with animals your dog doesn't know, I'd recommend going somewhere like a farm, with the owner's permission of course, and training there. Always keep your dog on a leash to prevent it from chasing the animals, as it can become dangerous. Especially if your dog is not well socialized, it might try to chase or even bite the animals. That's it for this one. Hopefully this tutorial helped guide you in the right direction when training your dog. You can of course practice this in many different scenarios. Just remember, if you're working around animals your dog doesn't know, keep your dog on a leash to avoid any accidents. If you have any questions or suggestions for a video, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.